The energy of New York City is electric. It pulsates with life, ambition, and a million dreams chasing the horizon. We, the women of this incredible city, are a reflection of that energy-driven, passionate, and always on the move. But even the most dazzling city needs moments of quiet to truly shine. And so do you. In the hustle and bustle of city life, self-care often takes a back seat. We tell ourselves we'll rest later, indulge later, breathe later. But what if later never comes? What if we allowed ourselves to prioritize our well-being now in the midst of the chaos? This isn't about adding another task to your to-do list. It's about infusing small, manageable moments of self-care into your everyday routine. Think of it as a love letter to yourself, a way to replenish your spirit amidst the demands of city living. You deserve to feel your best, both inside and out. And the best part, you don't need a fancy spa day or a weekend retreat to make it happen. Self-care in NYC is about finding those stolen moments, those small acts of kindness you give yourself, even when it feels like the world is demanding you give more. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your sense of peace. It's about remembering that you are worthy of care, attention, and love, even amidst the whirlwind of city life. Let's explore some simple, practical self-care practices that can be easily integrated into your busy NYC life. Because when you feel your best, you're capable of anything. And you, my dear, were made to shine bright in this city that never sleeps. The subway is packed, your inbox is overflowing, and your to-do list seems to grow longer by the minute. Sound familiar? In these moments of peak stress, one of the simplest yet most effective things you can do is breathe. Close your eyes. Find a quiet corner in your apartment, a park bench during your lunch break, or even just the privacy of your own bathroom stall. Inhale deeply through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for a moment, feeling your chest expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 4 again. Repeat this cycle for 5 minutes, focusing solely on your breath. You might be surprised at how this simple act can calm your nervous system and bring a sense of peace to your mind. Consider incorporating mindfulness meditation into your day. There are countless apps available that offer guided meditations specifically designed for stress reduction and relaxation. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing can make a world of difference. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you prioritize your mental well-being, you're better equipped to handle the challenges that life throws your way. And when you feel centered and calm, you radiate a quiet confidence that can inspire those around you. We get it! Finding time for a full-blown workout in your jam-packed schedule can feel impossible. But here's the secret. You don't need a gym membership or a dedicated hour to reap the benefits of physical activity. NYC is your playground. Ditch the Uber and walk to your next appointment. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Turn your commute into a mini workout. Even small bursts of movement can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and clear your mind. Find an exercise you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, yoga, Pilates, or simply taking a brisk walk through Central Park. When you move your body, you release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have the power to transform your entire day. Remember, exercise isn't about punishment, it's about celebration. It's about honoring your body and all the amazing things it can do. So put on your favorite playlist, lace up your sneakers, and get moving. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. In the city that never sleeps, it's easy to get caught up in the external noise and forget to tune into our inner world. But emotional self-awareness is crucial for our overall well-being. Take a moment to check in with yourself throughout the day. How are you feeling? What emotions are present? Don't judge your emotions, simply acknowledge them. Journaling is a powerful tool for processing emotions and gaining clarity. Take a few minutes each evening to jot down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences from the day. Remember, you are not your emotions. They are simply visitors passing through. Allow yourself to feel them fully, without judgment, and then let them go. When you understand and honor your emotions, you empower yourself to make choices that align with your values and priorities.